Hey everyone, welcome back to the Java Brick Breaker game tutorial. In episode 4, we made the paddle move with keyboard controls. In this episode, we'll add multiple bricks to the screen by creating a simple brick grid. First, open your game panel.java file. We'll add a simple 2D array to manage the brick layout. To keep things organized, let's create a new class called BrickGenerator. This class will handle the brick grid. Import basic stroke, color, graphics 2D, class to your class. Basic stroke class allows us to set the thickness of the border lines we draw around each brick. It gives a nice clean outline to make the bricks stand out. Graphics 2D class gives us advanced drawing features. It extends the basic graphics class and allows us to use strokes, anti-aliasing, and better control over shapes when we draw the bricks. Add this code, create variables and brick array, include BrickGenerator constructor method and draw method to the class. Bricks array. It's a two-dimensional grid that stores the current state of every brick in our game. Each element in the array can be either 1 or 0. 1 means the brick is still there and should be drawn, while 0 means it's been destroyed by the ball. This makes it super easy to loop through the grid and draw only the remaining bricks on the screen. Next, declare a brick generator in your game panel.java. Initialize brick generator and constructor. Every time we repaint the game screen, we loop through this grid and only draw the bricks that still exist. This makes it really simple to manage and update the bricks while the game is running. So in short, this bricks array acts like a live map that shows us which bricks are left to break and which ones have already been cleared. Is responsible for displaying all the bricks on the game screen. First, it loops through every row and column in the bricks grid. For each brick that still exists, which means its value is greater than 0, we draw it. We use graphics 2D to set the fill color to white and draw a solid rectangle for the brick. Then, to make the bricks stand out clearly, we set a thicker stroke and draw a black border around each brick. The position for each brick is calculated based on its row and column in the grid, plus some spacing to position it nicely inside the game window. In short, every time this method runs, it loops through the brick grid and draws only the bricks that are still left in the game. This makes the brick breaker look clean and organized while playing. Next, declare a brick generator in your game panel.java. Initialize BrickGenerator and constructor. Now update the paint method to draw the bricks. Save everything and run game window.java. Awesome. Now you have multiple bricks displayed on the screen. In the next episode, we'll add collision detection so the ball breaks the bricks and bounces off. Don't forget to like, subscribe,